Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a hamburger in Blender full guide. Start by trimming excess fat and cutting beef into 1-inch cubes, chill briefly, then pulse in the blender using short bursts until coarsely ground. Season lightly with salt and pepper, avoid overmixing, and form even patties. Keep tools cold to maintain texture and sear over high heat for a flavorful crust. Use a chilled blender and work in small batches to keep meat cold and texture coarse. Pulse for 2 to 3 second bursts, shaking the container between pulses, and scrape down sides as needed to maintain even processing. Check texture often and stop when you have coarse, crumbly pieces similar to hand-ground beef. This preserves juiciness and prevents a paste-like outcome that loses desirable burger bite. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful videos. Quick recommendation: socks life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They keep your feet comfortable while you stand at the stove and flip burgers. Check the description for the link and other deals I mentioned, and if you grab a pair, enjoy the comfort during your next cook. Now let's get back to the video. Seasoning timing matters. Add salt and pepper right before cooking to retain juiciness. Shape patties slightly larger than buns and press a shallow dimple in the center of each to prevent doming during the sear. Cook over high heat to form a brown crust, then lower heat to finish to desired doneness. Rest patties briefly after cooking so juices redistribute, then assemble with fresh buns and preferred toppings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.